Thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto kwanirira kurutithia wira mutaratara wa ugai wa kigina kuri university cia muingi hamwe na thukuru cia kothi cia moko uri ugayanite aruto na ikundi ithatu kuringana na uhoti wa kibeca, aruto matiganite ni magite kuiganira na mutaratara uyu makiuga ni uramekirira mihinga undu umwe na kwagarara ihoto ciao ta aruto. Kuma kurugurio kwa mutaratara uyu aruto matiganite ni matariirie kiagago na kiriga kiria kirigiceirie mutaratara uyu, amwe ao makiuga matingihota kuoya ngombo cia mathomo.
It's like coming next year, the freshers, they may drop out of the school because of the help sector. This university, our parents are suffering so much. Some of us come from papalism backgrounds where there is no nothing. When they say the new method of the help, we just say no to it as the comrades.
Hindi ya mushemanio wao mari kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, aruto aya ni maugite thirikari ni yagithetie kiene aruto aria mekaga wega mathomo-ini mao na gucungiriria mutaratara uyu kumarituhira makiria kuona matingihota ona kuoya ngombo.
If they don't want to help us, let them tell us that we don't have help instead of cheating us that apply for help and then at the end of the day we don't get that money.
Ikundi ici cia aruto ni ciugite mutaratara uyu ni wagararite ihoto cia mamirioni ma aruto aria mari na nyota wa kwamukira githomo kiega guku bururi-ini.
Some of them have been forced to go back home because they don't have money, and these people are coming from humble background.
It is very unfair if the university in Kenya are always adjusting the school fees without the knowledge of the common comrades. Our knowledge should be included.
Riu aruto aya ni moritie thirikari irugamie mutaratara uyu kuona no kumahinyiriria uramahinyiriria.
The financing model that is there currently is a total no across board. We are saying two things. At least the government to go back to the old financing model, at least. But our recommendation is free university and colleges education.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jetago Gathoni Wanganga.